These are the SP-6 toothpaste tablets, and I wanted to show these because a lot of people are curious about toothpaste in tablet form and also about the ingredient hydroxyapatite. Instead of traditional toothpaste in a tube, these come as small tablets in a jar. You just take one tablet, chew it, and then brush like you normally would. So the brushing routine itself doesn't really change. It's just a different format. And one thing people notice on the label is the hydroxyapatite. That is a mineral compound that's chemically similar to what tooth enamel is made of, which is why it's used in some oral care formulas. So the tablets are just solid tablets. They're easy to portion. There's no tube involved, which is what I really like about that, because toothpaste can be really messy, and when you close the lid and everything, sometimes it just gets all cakey, and this product eliminates that. So if you've been curious about toothpaste tablets in general, this is what they look like in real life, how they're packaged, and how you're supposed to use them. And I wanted to say thanks so much to the brand for sending me these.